AutoFields generates C# properties from your XML automatically. Start with a simple XML, a label named test label, a button named test button. AutoFields generate matching C# properties and queries instantly. Now we rename the label to information and button to start button in the XML. Save the file and AutoFields updates the script automatically. The property names and their queries are synchronized. Let's create a simple script to demonstrate how to use the generated file. We add a new label called counter to the XML. We begin our test script with a standard mono behavior. Add fields for generated UI class and counter variable. Initialize the UI in the start method. Change the text of the label and button through the generated fields. Add the function that increases the counter and updates the counter label. Finally, bind the button click to the created function. In Unity, we assign our XML to the UI document component and attach our test script to the game object. Now on play mode, click the button and watch the counter label updates. If you have two elements with the same name, AutoFields will warn you. Here, we duplicate the counter label to simulate this. A warning appears in the Unity console. Clicking the warning highlights the XML that caused it. Now let's rename start button to increase button in the XML, but forget to update it in the script. The result is a clear compile time error, not a hidden runtime bug. This is where AutoFields truly shines. With just a few elements it may seem optional. But in real project with dozens of UI elements, it's a time saver and a safety net. It keeps your code in sync with your UI and reduces maintenance overhead. Note, I'm using hot reload, so changes are applied instantly. Without it, Unity will compile and reload the domain, which takes longer.